Thank you again for watching our videos here at National Gear Repair. We are a comprehensive remanufacturing center specializing in industrial gearbox repair. We work on brands such as Falk, Philadelphia, Flender, Hanson, Link-Belt, Marley, Bonfiglione, and so forth. Here at National Gear Repair, if you have an old or an obsolete gearbox that you can no longer get parts for, we could reverse engineer and manufacture all necessary gearing and shafts to the exact same Bernil hardness and Rockwell hardness. We manufacture gears such as helical, herringbone, foot herringbone, double helical, spiral bevel, spur gears, and much more. At National Gear Repair, we do offer 24-hour emergency rush repair and manufacturing. We also offer free freight nationwide, as well as free quotes. At National Gear Repair, all our work here is warranted for 24 months from the date of installation. And thank you again for watching our video here at National Gear. As you can clearly see, this is a Marley right-angle gearbox that we're doing a rebuilding for one of our top power plants up in the Utah area. And as you could clearly see, all our bearings and seals are Timken. We don't use anything else but Timken here at National Gear Repair. Please continue to watch our videos. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. National Gear Repair still offers free pickup, free freight, and free quotes nationwide. Thank you again for watching.